A dining hall has a total of 25 tables, some long rectangular tables and some round ones. Long tables can seat 8 people. Round tables can seat 6 people. On a busy evening, all 190 seats at the tables are occupied. How many long tables and how many round tables are there? Let's let X be the number of long tables and Y be the number of round tables. Now, let's set up a system of equations and constraints. There are 25 total tables, so X plus Y is 25. 8 times X is the total number of people who can sit at long tables, and 6 times Y is the total at round tables. So the total number of people at both types of tables is 8X plus 6Y. What point, X, Y, would be a solution for both equations? Let's make a table of values. Substitute values for X and Y. First, try X equals 10 and Y equals 15. This works for the first equation, but not for the second equation. Next, try X equals 20 and Y equals 5. This works for both equations, so the point 25 is a solution for the system. A table can be a great way to organize testing points for a system.